Epsilont Square Register Bundle, the POS setup that changes checkout forever? Ever felt like your tools are working against you instead of making life easier? Running a shop, cafe, or boutique shouldn't feel like a daily battle with outdated gear. Drop a comment if you've ever wrestled with clunky hardware mid-rush. Because let's be real, when your POS slows you down, it's not just frustrating, it's profit walking out the door. Deadlines, impatient customers, receipts piling up. Sound familiar? Stress builds fast when your checkout counter can't keep pace. Imagine if there was a way to take back control without juggling 10 devices or adding more chaos. Smooth transactions, quieter mornings, zero ink headaches. Feels impossible? Not anymore. That's where this hardware bundle changes the entire checkout experience. Meet the Epsilont Square Register Hardware Bundle, your new secret weapon for checkout bliss. Think plug-and-play simplicity. A compact M10 USB thermal printer that spits out receipts faster than your customers can grab their coffee, and a sturdy 16-inch cash drawer that clicks open like clockwork after every sale. No ink, no drama, just smooth, cost-saving thermal printing. Imagine this, a busy cafe owner hitting peak rush hour, yet receipts glide out silently while the drawer organizes every bill and coin perfectly. Another store manager switches from an outdated register, and suddenly their checkout looks sleek, professional, and actually keeps up. Here's a bonus tip. Because it's wired directly to your Square stand, you'll never deal with Bluetooth dropouts mid-transaction. Everything just works, and that reliability is priceless when your line's out the door. Ready to see how it saves your day? Keep scrolling for the little extra trick that most users don't discover until week 2. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about confidence. With this bundle, your POS feels unshakable. Experts rave that it's a turnkey solution for micro merchants. Influencers call the setup shockingly seamless. One boutique manager said, "It's night and day compared to our old system. Customers notice the professionalism instantly." A cafe owner added, "During our morning rush, the printer never skips a beat. It's fast, quiet, and reliable." Analysts note that bundling everything, printer, drawer, integration, removes a huge barrier for small businesses entering modern payments. And here's the thing, no wasted counter space. The M10's compact design saves room, while the steel cash drawer organizes every dollar securely. Want to know what's wild? Thermal printing means you'll never buy ink again. That's real savings every single day. So ask yourself, which feature would save your business more, speed, durability, or zero ink receipts? Comment below. I bet your answer matches what other owners already can't stop talking about. Because once you set this up, checkout feels less like work and more like a flow. And isn't that what every business owner wants? Don't wait. Thousands of shops, cafes, and boutiques have already upgraded their checkout with this bundle. Limited stock means once it's gone, it's gone. Imagine tomorrow's rush handled with quiet efficiency, smooth receipts, and zero ink costs. Click now to secure yours today and unlock a hidden perk, an easy setup trick that makes your Square POS even smoother. Don't just watch. Jump in, claim your edge, and see the difference at your counter right away.